Assalamu alaikum dear students, hopefully you all would be doing great and fine. It's me Syed Gulab working as English language teacher at House of Premier English and Career. As we have promised, we're about to bring you a series of videos where we will be teaching you about IELTS, about grammar, about essay writing, about languagecert. There are many courses that we are going to start on our YouTube channel and on Facebook. So in today's video we are about to talk about supposed to. Why do we use it? How do we use it? And what is the purpose of using this semi-modal verb in our speaking as well as in our writing? So supposed to, it is actually used for duty, for responsibility, for purpose, for obligation, for expectation. Most of the students, they say, sir, can we say it like I have to supposed to now? They say that we will supposed to. No, you can't use it like this. As I have given structure of it, the proper structure, subject, what is subject? So subject is the doer of an action, subject is the performer of an action, or subject is the worker of an action, who performs action. For example, I give lecture, so who is giving lecture? I. So I am subject because I'm performing the action, right? So subject is the doer of an action. Then be, what is be? Be means here as, am, are, was, were. These are bees, right? Then after that we should write supposed to, not supposed to, supposed to. And then after this we should write first form of verb. What? First form of verb. And then object. What is object? So object is the receiver of an action. For example, if I write that you are supposed to come on time. Like simply it means that it is your duty. It is your duty to come on time. So supposed to can be used for duty. Like it is your duty to clean this room. So I say that you are supposed to clean this room. It is your duty to open the door. You are supposed to open the door. It is your duty to call all the clients. So you are supposed to call all the clients. Another one is responsibility. What is responsibility? Here your responsibility to, my responsibility is to teach you English grammar. So simply I would be saying that I'm supposed to teach you English grammar. My responsibility to take tests from you people. So I am supposed to take tests from you people. It is your responsibility to give me your test. You are supposed to give me your test, right? So here we are using it for responsibility. Like I can also say it is my responsibility to teach you English grammar. So if I want to use supposed to instead of responsibility, so how I would change? I would change it that I am, because I'm talking about the present, right? It can be used for past as well as present, and we can also use it for future. Like I am supposed to teach you English grammar, right? So we can also use it for responsibility. Purpose. What is the purpose of making of my videos? So making of my videos, purpose of my videos to guide you, to teach you, to tell you about English grammar. Got go.